All right, so welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure say you subscribe.
Yeah, from the island to the dream, everybody chasing something. But nobody talk about the cause. Yeah, yeah. Mama wait before the sunrise. Sweep the yard, but her heart feel heavy. Bills upon the table, dreams in her eyes. She tell her son one day you will rise. God bless America, land of the free. But freedom costs more than we can see. We chase that dream, cross land and sea. Hoping one day life could set us free. Yeah. We can't wait no more. She said, life too hard and we too poor. Let's take the risk anywhere we can. Anything just to become a man. Hope turn every night turn long. Every prayer feel like the wrong song. Everybody say just hold strength. But pressure bust by. Pressure built till the heart can go. Jah know say we losing, no. Is it worth it? Nobody know. When the price too high, but still I go try. It a long road for reunion. Heart full of tears, coffee look me pamper. She wait so many years, she reach her and cross the ocean wide. But tonight she just a cry on the other side, eh? She a pray na the night so deep. I hope her future struggle feel sleep.
Actually, you know, say mommy called me last night though.
Okay.
Yeah, and she tell me say filing almost done, you know.
What you mean?
Remember say she do a file for me and she say it a come through right now, so me go get to go over. I'm gonna try settle down in there, you know, and then I go come back. I'm just married to you and make sure so everything good. And go over back and just file for you and make it come over.
So,
You kinda look like you're happy.
cause I see this play out bad so many times. It's so like I something where yesterday and think about already. Are your mother called you last night, you know, wait me and say something to me?
Me did do one wake you, but me just say me just wait till 9 morning.
Trevor, me don't like this. Me don't like this at all.
Talk to me, let me know why you don't like this.
Because everybody will go over there will promise them woman to them go set themselves on way and come back and get married. Them go over there, get married and move on.
So Roxanne, you really think so me I go do that?
Yeah, and something where you go, where you want, you know, and listen. You don't know where future holds. Me don't know where future holds either. You go over there, try set yourself, you meet somebody, you start do all kind of crap. I'll mess it down over here wait for you.
Me not go turn my back on you like that.
I don't trust this.
We've been together for so long. So you want me there? Want me to forget everything and just don't bother go over?
But listen to me. We could have never tell you that. You're crazy?
So the impression that you give me like
No, alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you know, make you feel like that, but we could have never asked you to do that. No matter how much I would want you to leave me, you know, because I get bored and lonely. Like, I love you with everything, but we just not trust this. Like, I see this play out bad so many times. I see man promise them woman the world and got foreign and turn them back. And even the ones that want to turn them back, them still go over there and do bullshit. You just don't want another situation there, you know?
I'm gonna turn my back on you. It's special to me, you know, we've been together for so long. Why would I just go and abandon you like that?
Because then that's something we are going to do intentionally. A life.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that type of guy. You know that.
Alright, listen, let's see what the future holds, right? When I go focus on the negative side, because I mean, this can change your life. So,
Yeah. Roxanne, why you believe in me, you know? This about happening. You see me? This a big life changes this for me, you know? It's us, you see me? Not me alone. 2 week. We in this together here. You just want to understand that and get in your head.
alright.
Cause when you 12 go America, you know, the best life you ever live. And treat you like a princess, like a queen, you know?
Hello, your phone there ring. So I tell you, so my phone ring off my phone.
Damn right, me not fi trouble your phone because me not understand how this. I went since you start scam.
What do you mean by me start scam?
Me see woman named Karen, they call her, of course.
Listen, man. When I see my phone, just leave my phone alone, man. As soon as I say, just leave my phone alone, please.
Me don't really care about your phone, you know. Me just want to know what that. I went since you start scam. Me don't know say you're a scammer. Look how long me they talk and me never say take up your phone, say the dial yet. So me don't understand.
I'm tell you what, God. I'm tell you the honest truth. I have a foreign woman, and she want to take me go foreign. I don't know what's coming. I have a foreign woman, so is that I go work with it for interest more money or no no. I get option away what to do.
Hold on there. Look for me and look for me good. You see me with one big red nose right there, so?
We are talking now.
Me like a idiot here. So me if you sit down here so with you, why you talk to white woman and you would have left and gone a foreign with white woman and me sit down here so? You crazy?
See I do have to do then. I get option already, you know. I get option already, so do
Well
have to do.
then, me can go. I don't have a problem. But just
Well,
make
makes sense.
sure say I right choice you make.
Well, make somebody else suffer. I mean, I get a chance in life. I'm gonna take it. But listen, message to you.
But you want to go a foreign and left me here do?
Listen, message to you. I'm gonna listen message to you good. And I'm in a place, saying enough bother you can't just stay. Because I don't have no intention for rent a bigger house, upstairs and downstairs.
Wow.
Because money I make.
So you fortunate.
Money I make. You see me? So you can't stay. So I will go.
Alright, go on, because I'll help you pack too.
Yeah, man, we will go, man.
No tada.
Something going on in my life, I'm there, I wonder if me overthink or not. And me I say it to you because I feel like me overthink.
What's that now?
Trevor, parents are filing him. And you know, filing go. You have to go and set yourself and figure out you need to figure out before you can even travel. So I'm not trust that, you know, and we basically live together and him travel and sling away from him. That made me nervous.
Wait, what you mean you trust him?
And I said, I not trust him, you know, I just, for the fact say, he have to go set himself and the things that he might have to do to set himself. He might get distracted in that process, you know, turning back for me, possibly.
Let me get this straight. You not trust him because you're afraid you're gonna find new woman overseas?
Basically, but me, I say, I don't want him to get distracted. You know, listen, a lot can happen, a whole lot can happen in that process. And me just,
That's true.
right, so, you know, sit well with me. I mean, I'm happy, say it work out for him, I'm really happy. And for the positive side, I know it can work out in the motor with paper. But,
But me not think he would have got that far. I mean, him love you so much, me not think he would have find somebody else. I mean, it do happen in a real life, but me not think he would have do that. You just need to trust the process.
so, what about you? You now better go away?
My father different, me I tell you. Because even though in the funny farm but thing, we still have to ask him and see if he can convince that if he file for him. Because I really want to go overseas too. I mean, I'm a dream to travel and I really want to go overseas.
So look like I'm me alone, a foreign minded. I mean,
Well-
if I really want to for go, I know if, you know, if it work out in our favor, him eventually I go take me over, but it's like, me don't know.
So if it's a case where in 5 years to yeah, we'll go over with him.
Yes, what will stop me?
But are you saying I have no trouble mind?
Because I don't want major priority. You know, some people prioritize it like you will always want to go foreign.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I like, you know, if it can meet up me, if not, I like it.
Alright then. Well, we'll see what this take me then. Good evening, mommy.
Evening.
You know, I say, I love travel, right? Well, I always wanted to travel, right? And never get the chance to. So, Me been ask daddy overseas if him can file for me come over, and him depend one bagger back and forth stuff. So me dey ask if I could please see if I can convince him.
Yeah, me can ask him for. No problem. But it's up to him what him a go say.
And that me afraid of.
No, me will ask him.
You sure?
No, I can ask him, but me no know what the answer gonna be. So I have to just wait until me ask him, then me will tell you what him say. But when me ask him, if him say yes, and him sort out the papers, then for you come over, and you go over there, hope you not forget about me. I mean, know say a long time you want to go overseas. But just keep your fingers crossed. As I tell you, don't forget me as your mother.
Yes, Mama, that will never happen.
So, anyway, when me ask him, suppose him say yes, I'm going to start out the papers then. What is your plan? What you want to do when you go over there? You want to go back to school, or, you like go college or whatever? You want to do some class, learn something where you want to do? What kind of work you want to do? What you want to do? Why you so interested to go over there all these times? Every time you hear you say you want to go overseas, you want to go overseas.
Well, I don't really know specifically, but it's that I always want to travel the world. I want to go explore, get to know place, see other people, other race. Yeah, and enjoy myself, not for a really specific reason, but for just explore. That's all.
Okay.
Because maybe I want to do it since I did it, but daddy just not do it for me.
Alright, maybe try. Maybe ask him. Put it up to him.
Alright then, thank you so much.
So what's up, baby?
Nothing.
You alright?
Yes, I am. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yo, it's like I come here for work around and work here.
Brother, I'm on my phone, brother.
Bad man, I work here there, brother. You not fit on your phone, bad man.
Baby, give me 1 second,
Just
I'm
go
call
up to
back,
work,
alright?
brother.
No problem.
Bad man.
Brother,
You know
listen,
you
I
take
say.
this thing for joke thing.
Listen, I say, man, brother, I'm a phone, I'm not talking to you, brother. You know you're talking like a boss, brother.
But you know if you boss today, you could do that.
That no matter, brother, right now, done more than any work, dog. Because my woman will file for me soon. Done more
So
than any
look
work.
for me, my mother fight for me, brother. I'm still there at work. What you mean?
Brother, at this, me choose to do. God bless America when I come.
So you believe in that woman there?
Of course. Brother, just go on the way, brother. I love what I do, brother. Come.
So where I try to tell me, say, if you do all that work and you don't do nothing, but you are going to still get the money.
Brother, you know about the money, the bad man. Is it because when my woman send money come give me, can I say me all 2-3 months. And that me I tell her every week she send money come give me, bro.
Really alright, you can go and depend on that. Tell you this. So when you go over America, you still have to go work. You hear? You know, lay back thing and things say, oh, woman are going to take care all the way. You have to work.
So why you can't God for me?
I not say I'm not glad for you, bro.
So why you talk like you're not glad for me?
I just I try show you say bad man you have to work, same me and hustle in a your pocket for yourself. You see me?
Brother, I'm not like you have this encouragement, brother.
Nah, this encourage you, bro.
Disencourage me, brother.
Listen to me.
Me not watch on it. Me not make nobody disencourage me. Because you see America,
You turn the things America better, Rose. Here, we go over there and mama switch up on you, man. And you have to work hard and take care of she and her old lady. Yeah. Remember me tell you that, you know.
Bro, me not listen to what you say.
Now listen what me I say, me I go and do my work. I'm not boss come around and see me ugly, yeah.
Brother, just do that for the man. I go back for my car.
You're good, man. Do what you want to do.
That's something I come to talk to you about. How you did I do over your yard?
Boy, I just have to just take things easy because you pressure. And so I get too excited and all them something and so forth. But I never know say, well, look how many young and hearty. And then like a problem that I go through now at old age. Wait, sorry, what you say now? What you say, sorry? What happened?
Well, my brother, I come to talk to you about your niece.
Mm-hmm.
She want to go overseas, so she dey ask me if me can ask her father. If her father can file for her. What you think about it?
She a ask. Really?
She dey ask me
Yeah.
if me can ask for her father.
Fi file for her?
Yes, because she said she asks him a lot of time and it's like him a if and but like him they go on like he no want do it.
No, sir, there's no
So-
question about that, man. That should even be a topic. Eh? I mean,
but
ask. All them something if you go on, there's no asking. I like a something else. I know you know, man.
why? Yo, let me just tell you what I go down.
Right.
You know, say a long time him want file for her. But me turn it down.
Why you have to do that?
No, say that, my brother. Listen. She did young, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me never want to send her away to him. For him go make my daughter grow up and not remember me or no business with me again or care about me. And then him, for the dirty style them when he used to have, first of all, you're supposed to know already, say, when him they go find me, no know about it, you know. He left me in the house and go away, you know.
Listen, put that aside. That is a very stupid move you do. Right now, you don't reap the benefit. Me and your brother and sister. See? We might not be same last name. Right? Different pa, but me and your blood. And you make such a stupid move? How long ago?
I won't live a long time, I'm from Sri Lanka. No, you have to understand, you know, bro. Listen. You see, them time there, me think of something sensible me I do. But now me understand you say, you kind of want way, you know. Because me should have do it, but me not do it. So when me not go kill myself, what you want me do? It just never fi happen.
Boy, I know me can't believe you do that. Right now, you know, you down there and probably up there already, you know, and the process.
That's the way you're
Listen, man, your daughter wouldn't take care if you did take care of business long time. See? My one too come true, you know.
Alright. Me not say it couldn't go so.
Yeah.
But you know, have to go so because you see when that the dirty man that when me did have we left me in the house and me not even know when in the go.
Yeah.
Tie up for me daughter head and tell her all kind of something about me. No mind try she forgot say me her mama. You hear me I tell you?
Well,
So
yeah.
nobody think one way in a real life, always think two way. Because you are say, if me did do that, yes, of course, yes. Sometimes when you do things on time, maybe it happen, you know if it happen.
Eh, it would have happened. Come like you know, hear what me say. Me say, you listen to sis? I feel me when I go through.
What?
You know, me had a sister.
Where is it?
Me there on the brink. You know how much years I know?
So soon get through, you know.
What you mean? Siblings, you know how long I have to wait?
But bro, me glad for you. Me can't wait
Yo.
for you going.
You know what hard work me I do a certain thing and so forth. You know, how are you, man? Listen to me, man. Eh? A time for me relax. Up there, so.
That's true.
I pay. No, don't you say no. Look how old me be. What me have? Nothing. Still a pay rent.
Me case and go.
How are you, man? When my sister filed for me, man, how are you?
So wait. When you go up there, you could have just take up your knees then.
Cool, man. No matter with that, man. Just do the right thing, man. Make a man deal with his daughter. You're probably up there already.
Alright.
So, you know,
Alright.
and stuff, man. Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry yourself. We're good, man. She a go deal with you. Me I get deal with. You know, nothing to worry about.
So me have to.
You see there?
You
Your
coulda-
process would have started long time. Done probably that gone before me.
Me have to make him.
But-
Yeah, my brother, yeah, your niece that you could have do it. To.
Me I go before you.
That's why you could have do it and me no bother
Me
make
I
him.
go before you. So, you make a mistake. Me sorry. Can't help you. You should have did it right a little long time.
So if people then now don't find like done for your go yet, and I know your time when you go, but it up in
Everything I go through, what that me I try to tell you.
Right, Ted.
Alright, here we do. Just put everything behind you. Talk to your girl father, make him file for you. Argument done. Alright?
Alright.
Anyway, me I go down, but me can't say you alright, because you drive.
No money can give me.
Lord Jesus, please, man. Yeah, everything come with sitting there, man.
And me think you did cook. Me like come and fear yard. No bother, cause you look like you're broke later.
Yeah. Alright, take care.
Boy, material rich. So Kirk, get up and come help me now, youth.
Brother, no matter what me no dog.
My youth, brother, I work here come hour.
Brother, me dey on my phone laughing fast till 6
I
o'clock
hear a
this morning,
problem
brother.
that how you fit the phone with woman whole night. Well, listen, man.
Brother, I'm not prepare everything.
Kirk,
brother.
Kirk,
Like
man,
I
I
five
depend on
minutes, done.
foolishness today, no, Kirk. We have to make sure bossy work done, you know. Take
Brother,
off all
five
the
alone me I care,
material,
brother.
them bad
Five
man.
alone me I care. Brother.
I move like you have life, no, brother.
Brother, stop talking. Brother, stop talking like I'm a boss, brother.
Yeah, me not understand how he plays the done all now. When you tell me 2 weeks, what really are going? Boy, boss, if you tell you the truth, you know, I really want to say this, you know, but you know, Kirk nah really do nothing, you know. You see me more while they come like a me when I walk. So hold on. So how you just said him a sit here to me? You see, true me understand his situation, you know, he buck a one catty. And he feels like say all is good when you buck a one catty, but and all that, you know. You see me, but what more I do, I just talk to him, you know. Cause me feel saying we listen to you, because you're official boss, you know. Me just there to monitor everything, you know. Alright. Me talk to him because we need the place if we finish so we can collect the rest of the money for the people. Yeah, man. You can see say reach far, you know. I just choose say from him just dep on the phone. I fire him, man. Just reason with him. Do me a beg, boss. Alright, listen. Alright. What are reason with you?
What I'm bossy.
You know, say a 2 week now me go in a place we finish up. So the people then can move in because I want the rest of the money so I can pay on them. And I know the place look like it now move. And I get to understanding, full understanding say a Trevor alone I do all the work and you slack off.
Trevor do all house work. Bossy, you me say, man. You better come to the phone, brother. You see me I say? I'm a woman to take care of me. You think me really want this? At time, I saw kill. Yo, I get on top of my nerves,
Alright,
man.
yo. You're not gonna work for me and go like you want to talk to me anyhow. No. So yo. But I'm let you go.
Brother, that no matter. I don't want this. I don't like me really want this. Yo, Trevor.
Yo,
I that really do, brother.
what go on?
Tell boss about me now there work.
What?
Brother, you see always your mouth youth.
You don't like me I tell.
Brother, you want for boss, brother.
I like me I tell me just say something in a
Boss, I'm tell you something. I'm tell you the last word I say to you. You two nobody for work for you know. You see him, Trevor, they on filing, you know. And me they on filing to me because I want to take me up, you know. So you see nobody for work for you know. Brother, youth. Have youth. Dog.
Why you make it look like I like me I tell?
You're informer youth. Thing with you.
So what go on, bossy? You mean so what go on? I tell the man exactly what you say. But he might make it look like I lie me I tell you and do nothing in a place. Alright, you are going. You see like how me understand say I two and I think you see me, you have for your mother file for your him and for him man. But you go on to you know, I just get somebody brand new, go finish my place. What you mean, you know? Bossy, me I work in a bossy. Me I go and work till my time coming up. Me not like somebody I just left so I don't make you know. Well, I just say thing going because you get filing for you do even did send it to me, so everything good. But you go on. Me just when me collect the money, me just go on up. Bossy, do no bossy, just give me a chance. Go on man, me get some new youth who want to work. Some young youth who want to work. You see me? Good. But alright boss, I take up me told them because I don't understand this, you know.
Talk to your father. Is it? And him sound like him a go do it.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
But listen to me carefully. Yes, when I go over there, I hope you go back at school and get something good in your head. Remember, you're young, you know. I know you want to explore and you want this and you want that and rare, but it doesn't matter what you have in life, you need little education. If you even have one skill, you need education. Okay. And it no matter if you have a million subject out here, when you go overseas, You have to do back everything over. You know them do for them thing different. So you certify over there and get for them certificate. You understand? Anyway, make sure say you focus on your future. You understand me? Because things when me go through, I don't want you to go through it. And when you sort out yourself and everything done, you know you get your papers and everything. You're sick clean and you're a citizen now and everything. Few years after, you can file for me, or me can go look about my visa. And I can come up and look for you and come back down. If I'm going to spend like a vacation, you don't want 2 weeks or 1 month. You understand me? But remember, don't give up in life. And nothing at all. It doesn't matter what reach or where they think, where they go to already, or where you're about to and where they go to now, it no matter. Don't give up. Just stay focused. Make your father proud of you. You understand? Please, may I beg you. Hold up your head. Always focus on things, say. Me have to rise. No matter what happens, I will always rise. Don't think about your downfall. It no matter what your father used to say out here before he gonna live over there, it no matter. Show him say, you have ambition and you have a plan.
So, mommy, right? Like how daddy said, my file for me now. How long the procedure they are gonna take?
It will take some time, and whenever time or whatever time it will take, you go and will say you get you, and you're going.
Me want me get you too. But mommy, I thought like it will take years.
No, it not take no years. It not take no ages. But it will take a little time, you know? But I think of forever. But don't worry about that.
Maybe a
As
couple
long as-
months.
Yeah?
Maybe a couple months.
I guess so.
Alright
Hopefully.
then. My God, they were not gonna fight. I give it up to them. Thank you so much, mommy. I mean, come on. Me
No,
try
man.
convince.
Don't thank me. Thank your father and thank God. It's not me doing it. Me only asking for you.
Anyways, make up on your right now. I'm gonna deal with something, so I'll catch you later. Alright? Thank you so much.
All right. Love you,
Love
honey
you
bunch.
too.
Bye.
User no.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the United States of America has stopped processing immigrant visas from Jamaica.
This means Jamaicans who wish to migrate to the USA will not be able to do so unless their documents were sent in before today's deadline.
But while the American dream is dead for many Jamaicans for the time being, Jamaicans living in other parts of the world
No. No. No.
Daddy. Hello? Hi, Daddy.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright, boy, I call to tell you one little news. I just hope say you're not gonna feel no way. You know what said was say, Trump passed a new law we say about immigration. We can't file for nobody, everything the pump pass that now.
Really?
Yeah, so boy, I mean, I don't know when the filing thing can go on again. But At least maybe we can fly come to Jamaica come up for you.
But daddy, you know me always want Trevor. Now this will come to now.
I just agree with my daughter, but really and truly, to tell you the truth, and I really feel my fault, you know, because after you, I picked him up where he reached 18 when I mean, America when easy to come. But you want to file for you, but that because your mother, every time I want to file for you, she tell me, she trick me, tell me, say, this and that, and it just never work out, but
Wait. Daddy. What you mean because of my mother?
yeah, your mother, when me tell your mother some want to file for you when you're much younger, she tell me, say, she nah give me her one pick if you carry go a friend, and if me carry a friend, she nah get to see me, see you.
So how I know me just know this? So mommy never want me to fly out for a longer time then, that's what I try to say?
Yeah, for a long time I want to go a friend, but me never really want to mix fit in a big people thing. So I do even this and it's not like me I try to paint a bad piece about your mother or anything. So you are my daughter. You know, so me have to go back to work because I lunch break me the pan. I'm so me just call you and tell you news.
Alright, thanks for letting me know.
Alright then, later.
Bye.
You alright?
No, you know. What go on?
How do you feel now?
No.
How happened to you?
Well, when I really remember nothing, you know, I don't know. I just wake up and find myself here, so. I don't know.
You just start to wonder that time or something.
What man?
They want to tell me, say they don't want to tell me because maybe they go tell me and me go tell you and they worse. What happened to you? Because you know what you know, you need to tell me what happened to you.
Oh, just that. You know, tell us, what do you say? I have like a pressure problem, man. I just, you know, like a pressure, just pressure.
So hold on there. You see a pressure. So what really cause for your pressure to gone up so high till you end up in hospital? Where you think about? At your age, you really think about something so serious till you put you in hospital? So you don't love yourself?
Why? You know, say, the only thing I can remember, when I know I reach young, I say, I don't know nothing else. The only thing I can remember is that when I have my phone, and when I look for some news, yeah, some immigration, something where them say, like, so I cut all of the filing and so forth, so I don't know what happened after that. Maybe me just pressure just take me under my heart, so I don't know. That's why I end up here, so.
Hold on there, stick up in. Me I wonder if when me I think I hit you the chat, where they talk about immigration and pan phone and what? Where you sleep on the phone? What they when they talk
So
about?
then cut all immigration, remember, said me I get file for, you know, and it's who come through. So I just maybe at that just cause it.
Right, Judge. So brother, you really take that to heart and end up in hospital, you could have lose your life.
What am I for do?
Are you alone there on filing?
No, but I'm for control that, me no know, it just happened.
No, I really sit down and they think about this so hard. What you mean? Look here, you see right now, me no bother believe nothing about no pressure, no pressure, and no heart attack, nor nothing. You see you know say you don't love yourself, you're wicked to yourself. Like seriously, you know how much people they've been filing how much years before you? And they have to wait must be 10 years first before you come through. And then wait until then get through and then go. And if you gone pampas, then still have to wait. What you gonna do?
Can't be so really cost me more that
When
sister.
I curse you, you can't do this to yourself because when you left me if you think about now.
I don't like me just do it, so it just happen, sister.
Really?
Yeah.
I sit down and look here, you're lucky say no matter what because you sit down and think about filing. Let me tell you something. You see them there's something the way I think about in a real life? When nothing work out for you now, me not say now gonna work out forever, you know. It don't make no sense to sit down and stress out over it. Like seriously, boy, I watch one phone, immigration, I say this and immigration, I say that cause gone pan pass, you're mad. You shouldn't sit up big man like you. Left them there sitting there to some young people seat there. That means say, nothing I go want to for me daughter then. Eh?
God, you know.
No, but what you think she a go do? Me know if you talk to my daughter, me know say she a go feel away. What you think say my daughter idiot? We go sit down and think about this. Take it to heart. Heart attack, go and play with your life. My daughter now go take that to heart and end up in a no hospital. Me know she a go feel away, but she big enough to understand.
You see it? You come, you not even sympathize. You
No,
come
me
like
have
you
to
come here, I
no,
cuss you, I
no,
cuss
me
me.
not.
Look what me there. And you come here, you're still that's
Me
sister,
not
man.
curse you, me dey tell you the truth. Say
Alright,
you could have
alright,
end
alright.
up in a your grave.
Alright, sister, mind me of a next one, please.
Yeah, really?
Yes, you're stressing me.
Like seriously?
You're stressing me out.
Anyway,
You're stressing me out.
like how them put it on pause. If we go down to one agency and go find out the true story about this. If a pause is upon or it not go happen on tal for true or whatever, make them we know the real thing about it. You know? I one brother me have and you. You can't do then something. You dey do it to yourself and you dey do it to me.
So me can come out now, right?
Come here, doctor. You not have to wait till they discharge you.
Alright, sorry. Alright.
That's why I have to talk to you so hard more while you're a big man and going like a sound like a young boy. What you look so?
Nothing.
Alright.
I'm good, man.
You say I don't hospital me I come from.
Hospital. Where do you hospital?
Your uncle admit.
Why? What happened to him?
Why it's a sad story, you know. You know say Trump put out some rule. And you know, nice at all. Some people can't take it, just like my brother. You see? And him sister did a file for him. Him did the pan file. Yes. For a while now, and him couldn't wait for go foreign. And from Trump send out them the rule there. Him take it to heart. And it give him a heart attack, so him admitted in the hospital.
So because he can't go back again if he go over foreign, that give him heart attack?
No, listen, you don't understand, you know. You see what you can take, another person maybe cannot take it. Remember say your uncle a big man, you know. Right. And then him been so desperate, well want go a foreign. But you know, look like it will work again. Anyway, me no about going for fear filing, you know. I don't know, me not think it all about that work out. Cause serious sitting and going, you know, you know, go on social media and see where they go down.
Mommy, listen. Me know from me know say not gonna work out for me. You wanna know why me know say not gonna work out for me? You even wanna know why me feel so sad right now?
Me did ask her, me just come in. I you know something.
Me myself can't believe, but me get a call from daddy.
About what?
And me know about the whole law thing with Trump. I know. Because daddy tell me. And you wanna know what else daddy tell me too? Daddy say him been a try file for me for a longer time. But are you the problem?
Me?
Yes, you.
Me? So you wait. Anika. You really believe say me would have blighted your future as my daughter?
Mommy, I what daddy tell me, you know? Daddy say him been a try file for me before me even reach 18. He say yeah, threaten him.
Me?
So what you want say daddy tell life on you?
No, hold on there. You see your father now, I want to two more, you know. And me kind of just remember something. Let me tell you something. You see for your father never speak the truth yet, you know. That's why me and him couldn't agree. Your father to lie, and if he tell you a story go. Your father and me couldn't agree. And your father, they go tell me on phone say, cause when him a go foreign, me not even didn't know, you know. Me no know when your father left from Jamaica and go overseas. I hear me here saying the overseas. And one of him friend make me know say he married white woman overseas. After your father call me on phone and tell me, oh, the reason why I go away and never tell me same how go away. Because one of him friend are married and him a best man. 10 touring and one as me tell you before. A line they tell him not have no friend when they married, none tall. And your poopa when they married. And him left figure married over there. And me and him living at the house here. This a same house here me and him did live in. And he left me in here, go overseas, go married woman, and tell me say in friend wedding. Make he left and go over there and he never want me to feel no way. So he just go and don't tell me when a line they tell. And him go married. And one of his friend make me know that. So, listen to this now. The reason why me tell your father say, you not take away my daughter so young and care her away. So when she grew up, she not even remember me say cause you and your wicked self or your lie. Cause you will go tie up my daughter head and tell her be a foolishness about me.
So, wait, mommy, so how I know me this and all of this?
Listen, you was a child. You're very young. And listen to me now. Adults not supposed to put kids in a big people story. But now you reach of age where you will understand, me will tell you. And amen, so let it be. Me and him not chat pan phone from that. The day again. So me no know if he still when they do it behind my back or whatever. Whether he start or he never start, I don't know what come down. But me and him not talk about it again. Cause me mean he say, me name they make you go with him. Worst of all, you're no boy pitney. You're a girl. And you're not go get pregnant before time. Him ain't go have time to tell you that. Cause he was a little jiggaloo, you know. Me no know me there with him so long, you know. No wonder why he leave behind me back and go a foreign. I hear about it. Him is a wicked.
Me know it's one of did have no ups and downs, but me never know say that would actually. Me could have swear thing what daddy did I say true.
So, from me know that man, I find him as a liar and we left. The two we did left when he's still a liar. And he gone a foreign as a liar. I wonder how that the woman that we married him take the life when always they tell. Never speak truth yet. No, you're adult. He can't talk to you, you know, and tell you the truth, you know. I don't give a damn whether I want to come back or I want to stay over there. You understand? I me take care of you myself. My daughter, me know say you feel away because you did well want go away. You well want your papers them to come through for you get to go away, go enjoy yourself. But guess what? That is not the end of the world. Yes, when me go look about my visa, I can look about yours. Because sometimes them like when family, you know, look about them visa together, maybe then we get it even a little faster. I don't know. You understand? But me we try. So anytime me I go, 2 away. Don't worry yourself. You know, say your mommy always love you.
So with this law, that means that me can't go back again to go find then.
No,
For now.
no, listen, baby. That a filing. Me I talk about visa.
Okay.
You can go. By God's will, you will get through figure. No worry yourself. Take our filing off of your mind. You see one of it be, no meant to be, it not go happen in a real life. If you not figure up on filing and go over there, you not go up on it. If a visa you forget, I still over there you go. What's the difference? You still go over there. Don't worry about it, man. God a God, and God is in control. So we
Alright,
can go
mama.
look about the visa same time.
If so be the case, then we're gonna go with it then instead of daddy.
We are gonna get through.
Alright. Roxanne, you tell us say some things happen, you look at time I don't see you. I go to my mother, right? Because my mama tell us say been asking my father for file for me for overseas and him been I go back and forth if I'm about him. So I go to my mother And I asked her if she can ask for me. 2 days later, she come back and say, yes, you file for me. Girl, I'm really excited. But it will take some time. Couple days after that now, one sunny day, I sit down in my living room. I get one call from my father. My father come tell me about how change of plans, my filing can go bad, I go through. Why? Because Trump put one passport immigration filing, something like that. So
What?
Trump overseas in America put passport immigration filing. So
Your father messed with her, you be for real.
I'm being for real. Everybody.
So that means that Trevor, oh God. That means that Trevor something gone from pause too?
Everybody who get filing can't go bad go overseas. Especially me. And Trevor, of course.
So you know why something like that happen?
Boy, me no know, I know. But all I can say is this I got affect the people them who I try to file for them family members over here. But regular people still can't up on their visa though. It bad,
So,
Joe.
How long now you hear this? Me just, how long now you hear
It's
this?
been over a week now. And you never hear about it?
No, and that is crazy because if a 1 week now, Trevor know.
Of course he must know by now. Because literally everybody who I get filing, I gonna know. It even affect my uncle too.
Oh. How it affect your uncle? Somebody that file for him?
Yeah. And through him here say he go on pause now. He get heart attack and end up in the hospital. So it kinda affect him too.
Oh my, I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm just hoping alright. But anyways, girl, me have one next thing to tell you.
What my brain can't what?
Me say, girl, guess what my father tell me say?
Evening, babe, son. Name me talk to you.
Anika come over here earlier and she told me say our filing gone on pause because Trump put 72 countries on pause with the whole immigrant thing. So I just wonder if your mother update you. Cause, you know.
Babes, really and truly. Mother, they caught me and let me know that.
Seriously, Trevor?
Yeah, but me just did want to see if I just feel one little bit of time until then call back and say, yeah, be up and running again. But me never know say a permanent something. You know, me no want to hide things from you. I never did I go hide it. Eventually, they go tell you.
You never did I hide it. But you not tell me nothing at all, Trevor. You not tell me nothing. Every piece of information I'm get out of you, I have to force it out of you. Me constantly have to question if you hear things. You don't tell me nothing. So when did I plan to tell me? When?
Just say I think when the time right.
When you think the time right? When you think the time would have be perfect for you come tell me say, hey, the whole filing thing I go on pause. Knowing damn well say something will be a depend upon it. Something where you get me caught up, you know. Like before this, me never care about foreign, you know.
Me know that.
So what go on then? What go happen? Cause yeah, been a high thing, Sammy. I know there's so much you not tell me about this thing.
And not just that, still in me and something else we tell it to you. I mean, I feel like I hide that from you and just feel like we say it now. I just say I think how to say it to you. I just feel like since you come up with this, I should tell you this right now. Me even lose my work right now.
If you take it serious?
So it look like me a joke right now is not the time to be telling jokes, baby. What do you mean?
Trevor, you have your joke. Yeah, test my faith. Because it's exactly what me I talk about. Me been and try to have patience about the whole situation, you know. Me I try to be patient. But when did I go tell me you get fired? When? So when you just up a morning time and I leave out, where you go? Where you go?
Go try to get one to work week and I say me no want you start overthink like you go say bills are go pile up and me no want that. Me no want you stress yourself.
So you get up every day and pretend like so everything good?
No, me not pretend like everything
Where
good.
you come from then? Because you're supposed to do your work. Where you come from?
Me go check down on one next place to see if me can do the work.
Trevor, listen, I have enough.
So you don't believe what me I tell you?
Me have enough with this and like me.
You don't believe not what me I tell you right
me
now?
Me can't do this no more. Like, me I break up with you. Me I cut everything.
So you
loose.
tell me say out of all our relationship we've been through right now, you just drop everything.
Everything.
And give up just
me
like that.
done. Yeah, you don't understand how much you put me through mentally. Like
Yeah, try
every
tell me
single
say.
time when something I go on with them, me have to figure it out. Me and I mind you there, you know, Trevor. You don't tell me nothing at all, nothing.
You always overthink things when me tell you. That's why I don't want to tell you nothing. I want to tell you. Why you
Fine.
behave like this?
Me don't want to do this no more.
So you try to tell me, say, you're done with me?
Yes, me done. And that's something I've been want to do. So this is the perfect opportunity. Me cannot do this with you anymore.
You've been one left me. That's something we have planned a long time. Because we don't see a future with me, don't.
Me that hope so when you come here, you tell me something else in a Trevor, but this don't make no sense. Me can't live with you and you hide things from me.
Before you just sit down and try talk with me right now.
Talk with you about what? Talk with you about what?
Everything when me I go through, what you mean?
Nothing I did to talk about. Like, nothing I did to talk about. Me I go pack up. We're not going to argue over anything and we're going to keep us or whatever. Me I go pack up and me I go left. Me done make up my mind already. You can keep everything because you don't lose your job there already. You need them.
When I come like me just lose everything, you would. Everything.
You should have think about that before, Trevor.
What is someone that's so long, man?
Kurt.
Well, there we pass some of the computer. Come on, go on, money, come on, send someone come to me.
Oh, I hope this mega collect something too.
And I think about it, I'm glad to see a thing like from the call Trevor and now get him, I declare my call. I go for Trevor.
Well, honestly, I don't know enough because, well, we break up for a minute now, so.
So I never know about that.
I mean, I don't say no one good while, so I could tell you I don't know who Trevor tell. Apparently, you not tell nobody because people still ask me in them. I don't know what's going on with him.
Don't say me knows it's still there, but I really often know when I can't stop talking, like, it's so loving.
Well, yeah, but I just like one ongoing thing. Trevor is a very secretive person. And in being I think so. I don't think it makes sense for me and him live together and him I things. Take me all weeks to figure out some things.
That don't really make sense for true still, but sometimes we kind of want to think on a low key until things happen to see way.
Well, this should be low key because people did a file for him go overseas, right?
Yeah.
And it turned out that Chum put everything on hold, nobody can go for and go live again. I mean, if you're a visitor, you can go, but for live, which that Trevor did I go do, live with him parents, back up and pass. And then I tell me, I have to find out from other people, so I mean, that did top it for me.
So I just that make of him?
Like me, I said, just some ongoing things, just a lot of factors build up.
What do you mean by filing upon pause, though?
Well, I know a lot, to be honest, but Trump, I say, anybody who want to come in the country as an immigrant, it's not possible anymore. So, but if you want to go as a visitor, you can still go. But all of that go on pause.
So, we never know about this, I win this happen.
It's all over social media, everybody talk about it. Like me, I say, people have to tell me, for me, no, because Trevor never said to me either.
I can't believe this. I can't believe what you say.
Why the issue?
Because I want to file for me too.
No, man. No, it's like I'm me alone, a foreign minded. Everybody got foreign? Well, unfortunately, it's going to take you. I don't know. You have to take your mind off of that, you know.
No, listen, I'm going to ask somebody else and hear them. We can't listen from one somebody alone.
All you need to do is go on TikTok, you will get the information. Me go press to go collect something, so. Nobody take it to heart, because me say people are dead.
All right. No, man. Yeah, babes. So, me ask you a question. Me ask you one question because somebody just tell me something a while ago, you know. Say filing gone on pause. Someone know if you never know about this. So, you never tell me nothing. Listen me, I say, man. Listen me, I say. I want to listen me, I say to you good. You see, because me can't bother come there, so. It don't make sense for me, you know. Me can't come a foreign. And me can't, me don't want to do no long distance relationship. This not gonna work out. So come off from the phone here, man, and go and buy business and find someone else. You know boy cannot tell me. So you're beautiful.
God. You figure saying Olivia?
Stop going
What
to
you do here?
Stop going to long.
What you doing here? You don't live here. You're not supposed to be here.
I'm tell you the truth. I'm tell you the truth. Yeah, I say, I want to give up your house. I want to come out here so I can make some money, you know.
You know something? Really believe say you take me for idiot though? Me know why you know. Me know why. You can't go overseas because America changed up their policy. So you can't go no foreign. But listen to me. You are gonna wait till next year. Go on back to what's your name, Karen? Go on back to Karen there, please. And leave me alone. And please come out here and then I playing with me. That me I tell you.
Stop going
Me
to
say don't touch me. You hear me
going
say
to
me then I playing with you. You don't live here. What you do here? Come go on home now, go on now.
So you're
And
going
let me
to
finish do what me I do.
Where
What
you
me
going
what
to
me I go on so far? You don't live here. You don't see a stranger. Me don't know you. Go on.
Listen, man. I'm going to listen to you good. I must have media appearing for us, you know. So if you want to come to the place at any time, you can come anytime.
What on there? Where's a while ago?
You not hear me I say?
No, more you repeat what you just say a while ago. Repeat what you just say.
You say I'm media appearing for the place, sir. Some can come at any time.
You see like you take me for joke thing or something. You know? Listen to me. You see if you don't want me to do something what me don't want to regret an idea, yeah? You better you go on. Take a long walk and never return. Hear me I tell you?
Everything good, Jada.
Go on. Come, please, go on. Go and go find Karen. Tell Karen said that your landlord put you out and you want so make him put you out.
Jada, everything good, Jada. Everything good.
Don't call me name. I don't even know how you even know my name. Come in and know you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I'm just going to give you a comprehensive knowledge of what's really going on, right? You have a thing called non-immigrant, and you have a thing called immigrant. Now, in this case, where you're filing, or filing was being done for the family, what happened now is that America has put the filing for immigrants visa on pause. Understand? So this now have no effect on the regular B1, B2 visa for visit America, you know, and so forth. And even the work visas for like artists, musicians, or whatever the case may be. It's just for the fact that the immigrant, you understand what I'm saying so far?
Hold on. My sister, she filed for me for that donkey years.
You understand that?
Yeah, so hold on. I just want to make sure me know. So that go for me to I deposit on my thing.
Yeah, man. As long as your name was on the whole thing of being filed for, that goes for you, sir. You understand that?
Here, you know, me behave myself, you know. Me not get in no trouble. Me not do nothing. Me not. I buy just animal and wait and all this time and all this now. Why now?
I understand. In life, we can't really blame certain things where happen by just circumstances.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
My brother is not a scammer.
I didn't say that, ma'am.
And my brother not no thief. And him not unalive nobody. You not understand this.
No, this has no effect on your record as a person. It's just the country has this thing where they're putting all these things on pause. I'm not sure of the accurate reason because I'm just doing my job. I'm just following protocol. You understand? So long and short, it's just the fact that want to understand, as I said before, have a comprehensive knowledge of what is being what is happening. All right, with the whole situation. So
This is not fair, sir. Because my daughter is a good, decent girl. She never do nothing wrong yet. So me not understand.
you make it sound like there is not any other country. You have Canada. You have other places for actually migrate to if you say you want to migrate.
That's the next one you put me in a trouble, sir. If you go get money where we don't have, and when you do get the money and go up, they then turn you down. And they now give you back. They don't give you back the money.
I'm sorry to say this, but this is just how it is.
So let me ask you something again, sir. A pause on this, right?
Yeah, put it on. It's on pause.
How long?
I can't tell you of a time or timing or say next week, next month, next year. I don't know.
Next week?
I am following. Hello, excuse me. I'm following protocol. You see, even this meeting that we have right here to facilitate families that are very disturbed on the situation. Just for, give them more, hands-on, how may I say no? Just for comfort the minds, understand exactly what is taking place.
Comfort and
And
necessary and build up with hopes and break it up.
no, it's not about building hopes. It's on pause. It could have been stopped. You understand me? That's the difference with what you need to understand. You understand, sir? You're looking very disturbed, sir. I don't want.
Understand, yes, we disturb because for them pause that can be forever pause.
No, man. Nothing is for like. But just to let you know, I have another family similar to yours, but it's 5 of them, and I have to go down, and ask the security to get 2 chairs to come up here. So I have to, move quickly. Hope you understand what's happening. All right, and just take this outside. Whenever the system is up again, just come again, man. Cheer up on yourself, man. Hey.
Like you don't understand. Me tell you say years. The making my sister.
You
What
understand?
me I gonna do now? Me a big man,
But this is Jamaica, the land of wood and water. Have a nice day. Yes, send them in for me.
Help me up, sister.
Call the security for me. Tell him say bring them up. Bring up 2 chairs.
What is power here?
And please, don't make them drink enough of the water because a lot of families coming in today. Yes.
So you say I go on now.
No, say boss, if tell you the truth, I work me come big what though.
This sound funny. Yo, listen man. After I hear how you behave and tell me how you are cockatoo because you are fly a foreign and you have foreign woman, you really have a heart if you come back and beg me back work?
Boss, I don't like that one.
And I like how.
Listen, I don't like how you make it seems one.
Listen man, me understand exactly what go on, So now because I'm here, So now that Trump changing policy for immigration and immigrant coming in the country, now you want to come big back your work. So hold on. So you never see the importance of having a job in a Jamaica and working and make it work. Eh?
Boss, I just at the time I never did think true. Me know I like Trevor they tell upon me, I just get out of rage.
Listen, I'm sorry to tell you this still. I mean I want to be really harsh. Can I understand enough time when my thing say going to foreign a better rose. I mean I want to be harsh. Me want people serious about my work. Me come work and a joke thing.
I go serious boss man.
Me don't want you back. You know what? It's in a life when people make mistake and this one time, you don't give them a chance to do it twice. So I'm sorry, I can't give back your work.
Alright then boss, but if your mind change you can call me still.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Can't. Jesus, you don't feel good.
You not feel it? What you say?
Sister.
Yeah?
Sister.
What do you?
Uncle, wake up! We have back an ambulance.
Worry yourself, my baby. Worry yourself. Alright. Hush. Alright. Hush. Why? My one brother and him gone. Alright. I'm gonna say your uncle. Worry yourself. Hush. I know say you want uncle. Me know. Look how me talk to him and tell him to not stress out himself. Ah, Jesus. Me can't bother. Me beg him do not stress out himself. And him can't bother.
What does yourself know? Please,
My
nobody
one
stress
brother with me have.
yourself.
My one brother, Father God.
Nobody stress yourself.
My one brother. One brother. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, take one taxi. I don't want to stand up here some more.
Manager.
Bad boy, Trevor. You how much time you gonna tell a bad man stop? Call me so, brother.
Man. That's cool, man. I have some good news for you.
You me should even deal with it in youth. You see, make me lose more youth.
Brother, you sleep on that, brother?
I mean,
You want to go, I got good news, brother. I listen to your good news. I get a link, dog, for go up on boat across the border, brother.
no,
Listen,
bad man, I'm done with the whole foreign thing, you know, brother.
what do you mean you done the whole foreign thing?
I mean, bro, you have to try life, yes, so youth.
Brother, you see the life there, sir, brother? Brother, I could go across the border, brother. We have a bridging dog, we're ruling for me to get forward over there, brother. We'll get ourselves straight up on thing, brother. I would go over there, I was sign up for asylum, bro.
No, brother, you idiot.
What could you?
A fishy thing that bad man.
How is school I go?
What you mean?
Brother, that's not the meaning of asylum, bro. The meaning of asylum is, listen me good, is where you don't feel safe in your country, brother. You go to somebody's country and seek safety, brother. That's the meaning of asylum, bro. Where you get for education from?
Don't worry about that, youth.
Brother,
Brother, I better read forward and check me and tell
brother,
me, say, yo, I'm going to try to get back
it's
work.
the same like oh yeah, premise make you lose your work. I see you make the link and I bring up on the link, brother. And this is what you doing, brother.
But man, I can't even know what me I got through you. What I see through all the system thing just all set up different. My woman left me in a youth.
Your woman never respect you from day one, bro.
Brother, I true me promise, me an empty promise me give her in a youth, and that's why she left me, you know.
Listen me I say. I could go across the border, brother.
So you know where you attack so legit?
I'm sure, brother. I'm 100% sure, bro. Because watch her. My bridging nah sell me up, brother. I'm sure of that, bro.
You what go on? You do what you do and me do what me do. You see me I try set my life in a Jamaica. You see me, everybody a rush to go over America. Bad man.
You're
The
saying,
most other place where they can go skate man and then place the bad man.
so hold on, you're saying God bless America. If you say God bless Jamaica, brother, come on, dog, go to America, bro.
Me nah, you do what you do, me do what me do.
Listen, message you good. You know how to find me, so. And next week, dog. So if you change your mind, you know how to find me, bro. I don't talk with you.
You're alright, you know.
Boy, man, I tell you about that youth, yeah. Trevor. Yo. How can I laugh since you want to live, brother?
Oh, man.
They have to sit down and
No
drunk on yourself, brother.
bad man, I want to tell you what.
What do you mean you're not talking, brother?
You know me I got you with you.
Brother, listen to me, someone. You can't make woman get the best of your dog.
Brother, all of my life mash up, brother. And I see you, me have plans to go foreign, brother, and make sure my woman come over, brother. You know me love my woman, you.
Man, say so make woman get the best of my drunk and
Yes,
look like so look like
stress
idiot,
out,
dog.
you.
How people look on your road, brother? How you think people look on your road?
Business, brother. You know, right now, no matter. You know, see. My life done mash up, bro.
Brother, hear me say, man, and cut your foolish, brother. See me, listen to me, say, brother. I say it to you again, bro. Make we take your boat and go across the border, brother. And I last time I come to you with my youth. Look where you do yourself. Better life there over there, you know. Better life than America, brother.
Bad man, you sure about this, you? I mean, no, I'm gonna do that now, and nothing no happen, brother. You never know if me I go get back my woman.
From you know me, Trevor, you ever see me tell you no foolish shit?
Kurt, me not say you tell me foolishness, brother.
Brother, look how you do your life. Look how you do yourself. How you think people look on your road? You're my friend, dog.
Brother,
I call somebody come and tell me say there's a lay down, you know.
Bro,
The place are locked up, brother. And there are people in place sit down. Look like I'm from last and today, so.
You don't even know how long me there, so yo. I'm been a drink. Come lose my woman. Me lose my chance to go over.
Brother, just come on, I could go across the border, dog. You see the deal I'm tell about, I want to crush, brother. Come in.
Alright,
Get yourself together, dog.
I see if your plan now work, brother. But you see if you know work, you don't deal with me back, you know.
Alright, get up and get yourself together, dog. Come here, go do your match, dog. I can't believe I wanna do this to you, brother. Watch out.
Yo, boss, when you boat are good?
Brother, I can't bother if you send them a boat go America, you know. Because every time when I send one boat go out there, America keep on a bomb boat them, brother. You know how much ship there in I see right now for America? I can't bother with them foolishness, dog. Right now, I say I can't buy a plane.
Big Sean, I did.
Yo,
He's a father Sean, man. I'm also.
how you pull up so dog?
Brother, no bother that, man. You not check my country up on thing, bro.
How will you be?
A pilot, son, man. No pilot from down the road.
Which pilot? Pilot from Massadawag or pilot from Carolina?
Pilot from Carolina.
Oh,
But you know, say no, long story short. You know, so how you may say have a link for go on the boat. You see me, because I don't know.
who tell us so?
You don't have to know that, man. I will pop.
Wait, me not, yo, don't me give you 12 time 22, dog. Me need to know any information. So make sure you tell me how to tell you.
Bro, I think him and them know so we are coming, brother.
Yo, are you may I chat to dog?
No,
I
but-
give me a reason with.
sorry about that.
A flanjan, tell me, dog. Flanjan.
Oh, Franjan chat too much, but yeah, man, I'm me have about them.
Yeah, dog. So you want to know, bro? Because you don't know, say, would if you get fall for go foreign, it not really work out, dog. And Jamaica hard, bro. You see it? So really and truly, I want to jump on the boat, dog, and run off. You see me?
Yeah, man, really need it, father.
So I don't know where you can do for, brother.
Here, I can do phone. We usually will make people run off on the boat, them, you know. But it usually go from 100,000 to 200,000.
Oh, man, that's soft, man. That's soft, man. Brother, right now, to my well longer, brother, I care about money can get out tomorrow.
100,000 for you and 100,000 for you.
A piece. Yeah, man.
So, at 200,000 and 100,000, which one you want? You want the express or you want the regular? Express, you can go in approximately 2 days. But regular, you go have to go to Mexico, crawl through 2 holes, and then reach America.
When the kind of money come make you know what I go, man?
Okay. Alright then.
As in,
So is that all?
yeah, man, so we want to know still. When the boat are left, so we can know exactly when we're forwarding.
When the boat are forward, brother?
You know, say around next week, you both are forwarding, bossy.
Next week, Wednesday.
So you say about that good?
Yeah, man, that good, man. We work on that, man.
We active up, man.
Alright.
So we are circle about them time, you see me?
Alright. Respect them in general.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, father.
Yeah, man. Stay safe in the road, you know. Watch your head back.
Yeah, man.
So, yo, bossy, why you send them a boat now and go to America in the water?
Brother, you know, just two idiots they just come here, so. Brother, I style that. They probably care back your money. You just shoot them. Simple as that.
What you mean, man, bossy? I right here, man, because a long time, man, I'm a piece of bird right now, me get grimy, you know. Right, we are praying the bossy, we depend.
Brother, the only thing we can do right now, you know, because if we don't know boat are good, people are for dead.
Morning, Mr. Kirk.
Morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, huh?
I have some good news for you. Your loan was approved. These are the documents. So all I need you to do is to sign it and bring it back to us so that we can make the payment to you. You have any questions?
No, sir. All right, I'm glad you know, sir. I'm very glad, so I'm going to sign the documents on carry it back so I can get the money because it's a little thing I have to start out, so really appreciate the money.
Yeah, man. So you just need to look over the payment plan. Make sure that you're here every week to make your payment. If you're late, there will be a late fee charged to you, all right?
Yes, sir.
Try your very best to pay up your loan. Recommend other people if you know they want some loan as well.
So, Mr. Barnett, I have a question though. Why isn't it possible for me to get the 20,000?
Well, you see, the reason is you're a first-time borrower from us, so we don't have a credit history with you. So we're literally taking a chance with you this time. So that is why we want you to pay up your loan on time and clear it, and then you can come back again and get a loan for $250, and from there we go on up all the way up to $10 million. You understand?
Okay, that's understandable.
Yes, man. So, as I say, you just sign up the documents, bring it back to me. If you can bring it back before the end of the day, that would be good. We'll have our agent going out in the field already do the checks for you. Make sure that you live
So-
where you say you live, your references are intact, and everything. But so far, you're good to go. Just sign.
Alright. Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, man, you have a good day now.
Yo, Trevor.
Yeah, correct.
Wagwan. You know, say, me have good news and bad news.
Yeah.
Yeah, what me I tell you good?
Bad news first, bro.
Bad news? No, my mother tell you good news, man.
Eh?
I want to tell you good news first.
Alright, do that then.
So, I get you the loan, you know.
Yes, sir. How much they get to here?
We wanna get the 200, brother. I just 150 then give me, bro. So, yeah, we just find a way to get the next 50,000 bar if we come up with the 200,000 so we can check them on next week.
Send no one, brother. I'm going to try to find 50,000 more.
Yeah, I know 50,000, you have to go find 100. Because, remember, I just get 50 for a while ago, you know, so I have to give me that money there, you know.
So you can do something, get me and pay back.
But the good thing about it, when you go to America, you can just work it and give me money that time. Like. You don't have to pressure yourself for me, you see it. So by late in the evening, I reach on my account, the money reach on my account.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so we can link up later, man, you see me?
Alright then, so by later, I'm come up with my phone.
Alright.
Alright.
God bless America, man. Father, how are you, boss?
What's the boss there?
I'm not sure if I can connect it, you know.
Yo, bossy, come in.
Some general thing I can get though.
Which thing that?
Piece of food money, bread.
Money, man.
Give them food.
Eat a fire.
Yo, police. How much that?
Hey, 200,000, man.
So you could never take a express?
No, man, you know, so I borrow loan, and the loan place now give you 40,000, so we just take it 2 bills, you know.
Okay. Alright. Realize say two and have two good youth, you know. So that is why me is the type of youth I like to give good news and I like to give bad news. Because it come hand in hand. So, which one do you want to hear first? Both.
You hear bad news, man?
Yeah, we hear bad news, yeah, boss.
So you could never ask you good news.
Well, you know.
The bad news, there is no good news.
Yo, what kind of thing that, brother? Don't feel shot me. Yo, how can I style that, brother?
Yo, easy yourself. Yo, are you me a chat to? Listen to me, I know. You see me is the type of youth. Yo, look at the brother before me. Yo, don't let me chop you today, no, brother. Hear what I say? Me is the type of youth I like to show action, not words. But you see, because you have Miss Pilot, son, I don't kill you today, no. Because you see me kill a friend like that, so you ready to kill her, you know. You ready to kill her. But I'm gonna leave you alive because you carry a piece of food can't give me. So just take up your friend and go about your business. You both them down go to America, sorry. You like both them down go to America, so you just have to tough you out in that Jamaica. Yo, hurry up, Pablo!
Some sorry people put in it, sir. Never know say that will happen to this appointment, sir. I just want to apologize for everything that happened.
never mean for your hide things trying. You promise you that now happen again.
No problem.
I promise, I swear.
Well, don't stress it because I have your back. Cool.
No, but then,
I'm there if you and we got figure out everything.
I just somebody don't want to prove to yourself I really love you and make sure so everything will go happen. One of the days, alright, you know,
Trevor, I'm tell you more than one time so we could have make life at Jamaica. I don't understand why you go that far. But, you know, it's fine. The greatest thing is you're not dead.
baby, are you my dear deed for? Come on, we live one better life.
I know I understand that. I understand that everything we do it for the both of we because they want to make things better. But Trevor, like me say, I'm there if you're in a way. I'm just glad to say you survived this.
Just promise me say I'll stay by my side.
Promise.
Howdy, Trevor.
No, I'm there in a crowd. Just hardly can feel this aside there, bro.
John, no, dog. I'm sorry for going to bro. You see me?
It's not really your fault, bro.
Just do want to get out of the poverty of Jamaica, bro. You see me?
No, man. Same thing me did want to.
When your sister Jamaica already want it and thing there, so at least dog, I could have did so what God make you there see bro, you see me? But thank God for that to see you see it?
Sure.
But you are going to dog, big man thing, I'm a friend dog, I'm a real friend, bro. So I'm page what them boys say, you see me?
No, brother, we can't
No,
do
man,
that.
you can't do that, dog. You can't do that, bro.
Yo,
Like
Kirk,
big man,
this is
you.
the time Kirk. We have to just make things slide sometime, you see me? A bit of me free in life, you know, bro. Badness not go put with no way, dog.
Alright, anything you said then, man?
Bro, no do nothing foolish. You hear me? I tell you. You know, worth it. A bit
Yeah.
out here, pray.
Send up, man. Send up, man. I'll link you back here.
I'm glad you come and check for me today, see.
Send up, man.
I can't believe one something just mash everybody net so. See my uncle go catch heart attack and dead in a hospital. But even though they go reach that far. Your boyfriend gets shot. Me not understand why if to be honest, we just will stay in Jamaica and just work towards my volume or something.
But you know, in the meantime, there are so many other countries where you can go, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
But for now, I'm just go give that a break and just focus on something else. What about you?
Basically that, because me never was a foreign in the first place. You know this, me never foreign-minded none at all, but when Trevor came to me and I said, Mommy, apply for him, and when him go over and set him thing, him go take me over. And that's my dreams come in, you know. I never want to go to foreign. So really and truly, not Christian, we just started how it worked out for Trevor, because he never deserved that at the end of the day, and I want to try new out, you know. So. But yeah, we're going to work for ourselves and see what we can do for ourselves from here, because there are a lot of opportunities here. Just you have to go out there to find it.
Yeah.
So, let's see your life have in store.
Right? So, come on, son to add.
Yeah. Modern time, modern crime. Poverty still there. Listen. Them say time change, but hunger they are same way. Concrete wall get taller, yet the poor still mager. You see big house on the hill while picnic belly empty. And them wonder why crime plenty. It's like we plant food, but them reap the profit. Them sell with sunshine tourism. Then lock we out of it, island rich like a king in crown. Bauxite in the mountain, money in the ground. But the people still drown. We not lazy, we tired. Tired of run race with no shoes. Tired of here, try harder. From men who never lose. Poverty breed crime. Crime feed fear. Fear keep the people quiet. Year after year on education at the root. Poverty at the chain. Break one and the whole system start feel pain. Poverty and crime, them walk hand in hand. You can't jail hunger out of hungry land. Poverty and crime, them walk hand in hand. You can't jail hunger out of hungry land.
At Richard Brown's Film, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
But you know, this is Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
Public, what?
Public. Come on, this is Jamaica. Land of good and water. Yeah, man. America is the land of free. No.
Here we are here live on Richard Brown Films, and we're here with Anika. Anika, how are you?
I am well fine, Miss J. And you?
What is the name of the movie that we are currently shooting, and what is it about? It is named God Bless America.
Oh,
What
yeah,
do you
God
love
bless-
about America?
You don't think we go to let's start at this one.
Cause we not see a future with me, don't.
Don't, I feel like I'm bad. What do you mean?
What I mean? What I mean again?
Yeah, you said I'm like your uncle.
Yeah, come on, okay. Yeah, but it's not my fault. Come on, then. I stop it laughing.
It's what I mean? What I mean again?
Alright, come now.
Alright. Ready?
Ask me again.
So that means that Trevor.
Cool.
Ready?
But you're sure so when you attack the legitimate?
100%.
Legitimate.
Nah, man, come back again, man. Legit. Just said,
I know so when you attack the legit, bro.
You don't have to know that, man. I will fuck.
We mean me not. Yo, don't make me bring you out your son now.
Hey, how did Javi? What did you get Javi 22 for? What did you get Javi 22 for? Javi come again to pass you 22 right now?
Where can I learn 22?
Yeah.
No, no, me give you 2 out of 22, dog. Come. So make sure you tell me how to tell you.
Oh, bro, I think you man know so we are coming, brother.
Yo, are you may I chat to dog?
No.
Come the dog. I don't laughing. Come.
Ready. Start again.
Start again, sir. Alright. Bro, I think say man know so we are coming out. Yo, are you may I chat to dog?
Go on. Look for him. What you got, sir? Go on. This is not.
All right, so you have watched the video to the end. May I appreciate every single person who have been supporting what we have been doing thus far. This is the first month in the year, and it started off well because this is our third movie and final one for this month, and then we're working on a new project now, going over to February. So it's a lot of hard work. We're constantly doing what we do because this is how we're going to grow. This is how we're going to get better, and this is how we're going to get big. Now, the movie Bad Picnic, we're so proud of that movie. It's at almost 2 million views. It's at 1.9 million views, heading to 2 million. And that is an accomplishment thus far. And it goes to show that YouTube can work. You know what I mean? It's just that we want to get more of them type of user. If we just get 100,000, 200,000, that's not that now cut it. We have to go try to hit bigger market and other platforms where we can generate more revenue, so we can actually do some of the things that we set ourselves to do. Like we want to create a studio where we can have everything to a advantage in terms of a hospital room, a police station, all the things that are gonna make sense. We have to have that at the studio. So that is the aim. But for now, we have work with what we have, we have make do with what we have, and we just have to make the best out of what we have and continue to give young people the opportunity to express themselves on camera, and also for persons who want to venture out and do them one thing, we support them just the same and help them to do them one thing. So big up on yourself. And final, before me jump off screen, if anybody out there need a wedding photographer, need a live, somebody to do a live stream, to cover events, your family can watch it back home, link we up. And if you want to contribute towards the movement, link me up just the same. Richard Brown Films on Instagram. Big up on yourself.